Waste Management and Education Center is an administration building at the Oxford County landfill site in Salford. My name's Mike. I'm the supervisor of facilities at Oxford County. The reason the building was built really stemmed from a need on site. The old building was a 100-plus-year-old farmhouse. It wasn't a great facility for the staff to work out of, so it was really driven by the need to improve and update on that. The building is extremely significant in my mind because it's kind of the first step that the county's taken to demonstrate how their strategic goals are going to be met.
This building is a great example of Oxford County working to advance the Future Oxford Community Sustainability Plan. My name is Pam, and I'm the Waste Management Coordinator for Oxford County. So this building provided us with an opportunity to actually bring all the employees together into one location. Basic things as simple as having a proper locker room, lunch room, actually having a meeting room where we could not only staff meetings, but to be able to meet with our contractors. Secondly, it is an education center that we provide tours and educate people in the community about waste diversion and renewable energy. And we wanted to make the education center very interactive for the students so that they could really become involved and obtain a better understanding of what it means to divert waste, reduce the amount of waste that they produce, and ultimately try and start to implement habits that will get them towards more of a zero waste environment.
When we accomplish our goal of zero net energy certification, this building will be one of the first in Canada to achieve that designation. The idea with the net zero is essentially you're going to produce as much electricity within your site as your building needs. So here at the landfill, the building still takes its electricity from the grid, but any electricity generated from the solar panels on site gets imported back to the grid to be used elsewhere. So to try to tackle that certification, we kind of had to use multiple components and get them to work together with the building. So the biggest one is the rammed earth wall construction. Obviously, it's very unique in how it looks, but the way it performs is pretty fascinating. The rammed earth walls make for a very airtight building envelope. Keeps the warm air inside in the wintertime, keeps the cool air inside in the summertime. Another one, looking at the windows, the triple-pane windows and wood frames, minimize the heat transfer through the window, but also allows significant amount of daylight. A lot of times in the building, you can be working in here without any artificial lights on. Aligning with our 100% renewable energy and looking at what was possible, we were actually able to expand the solar system to net zero the entire landfill operation. So the solar panels outside will produce enough electricity to not only offset the building, but all of the other facilities on site.
In Oxford County, waste management has really become a subject of interest. People are very eager to learn about what can be diverted and how they can reduce the waste that they generate. What we've tried to do with this building, as well as with the education center, is to let people know that you can make small differences before you start implementing additional things to reduce the amount of waste you generate.
And we've learned a lot from the construction of this building, and there's a lot of takeaways we can use on future projects. My hope is that we can use it as an example and build off that, but also as a demonstration piece for external sources in the community. If the community can take components of what we've proven here and integrate them into their own projects, that's a win for us.